Want to start a career in data? Start here. A data analyst is the easiest entry point in the data world. You no need heavy coding. Just learn Excel, SQL, or Power BI or Tableau. Your job: turn raw data into simple reports and dashboards. You analyze the trend that helps companies make better decisions. Start with data analyst if you are a beginner. This data job pays more, but most people ignore it. That's data engineer. Yes, data engineer builds backbone of data systems. They don't analyze the data. They prepare the data. Skills required: Python, ETL tools, big data, cloud platforms. Your job is create pipelines that move data smoothly. No data engineer equal to no data science. This role is highly paid and in demand. Want to work with AI and predictions? Yeah, for the data scientists. Yes, data scientists are more advanced in data careers. They use Python or machine learning statistics. They build the models that predict the future, like customer behavior, sales trend, fraud detections. This is the brain of data world. Are you confused between the data analyst, engineer, and scientist? Here the simple difference. Data analyst understand the data. Data engineer build the data systems. Data scientist predict the future. All three connects through one thing, that is data. If you want, enter in data world, 3 steps here. Start with Excel and SQL, learn the visualization tools, choose your career path. Analyst for the reports, engineer for the pipelines, scientist for the AI model. Pick your path and start today. Thank you.